Maintaining a clean home is obviously important to you. In order to clean your home thoroughly, you need powerful suction and good filtration. You can feel the powerful suction of the Centria, but what about its filtration? Let's hear what an independent expert says about the Centria's filtration.
Someone once said that if you really wanted to keep the air as dirty as possible is to use a traditional vacuum cleaner. I'm Dr. Joseph A. Belanti. I'm professor of pediatrics and microbiology immunology at Georgetown University School of Medicine. We now recognize that in dust there is not only particles of dirt, but there are particles of animal parts such as mites, there's mold, there's cockroach antigen, and many other microorganisms. Those particles are around 5 to 10 microns. If we examine the older vacuum cleaners with grandmother vacuuming the carpets, she'd go over the same spot 100 times. And all she was doing was suctioning air into the vacuum cleaner and out the other end. Now here at Georgetown, we've taken this matter very seriously. We went to a number of houses and hotels and actually vacuumed carpets, bedding, mattresses, and measured the amount of mite antigen in dust specimens before and after. The type of filtration that we were using is the new electrostatic method of filtration. Before vacuuming, you have a very heavy strip here indicating that there is considerable mite antigen. After vacuuming, there is very little. Test after test show this same pattern of reduction. This is very, very serious business. And I think that we just need to take it in a positive way and say that the technology has moved and we ought to move with the technology.
Congratulations! You're now the smart owner of the Centria by Kirby, the latest in a line of innovation that goes back to when electricity was barely an idea. Your new Centria is more than a great alternative to the common vacuum cleaner. It's a complete home care system, far more versatile than any vacuum. Also more durable, because it's predominantly metal, not plastic. So you'll save money over the years. Your Centria is also simple to operate. You'll save time using it. With its powerful airflow combined with the Micron Magic HEPA filtration system with microallergen technology, your Centria does the job right. There's nothing like your Centria, because there's no company like Kirby. For over 90 years, Kirby has provided customers like you with complete satisfaction. We constantly evaluate every design detail and improvement. We carefully assemble every product by hand. We test every piece and part, using everything from the latest quality automation to good old-fashioned workouts. We also support every Centria with one of the best warranties in the business. If you ever have questions, your local Kirby distributor is just a phone call away. This video will answer most of the questions any new Centria owner might have. You can also use it later to review specific procedures. And also, be sure to refer to your Centria Use and Care booklet. Now, sit back and learn how to get the most out of your complete home care system. Because the more you learn about your Centria, the more you'll enjoy how it works for you. The Centria is one of the most complete, advanced, easy-to-use home maintenance systems available today. A product for those who appreciate quality, reliability, and performance. This video owner's manual will help you take advantage of the Centria's many features and has been divided into sections for easy reference. Part 1 is called Getting Started. This section will familiarize you with a few basic Centria features. Part 2 will show you how to use your Centria as an upright and as a portable cleaner. Part 3 will help you set up your Centria as a canister cleaner and show you how to use its wide range of attachments. Part 4 will discuss the various optional accessories which complement and add value to the Centria. Part 5 will provide you with some handy operating and maintenance tips. View the entire video first. Then, when you need a refresher, you can choose the specific section or item you'd like to review. Please note, this video is not intended to replace your Centria Owner's Manual. It can help you get started, but if you need more information, consult the Owner's Manual included with your Centria. This section, Getting Started, covers general information you'll need to begin using your Centria, including moving and carrying your Centria using the handle tilt latch, using the toe touch control, adjusting for proper power nozzle height, using Tech Drive Power Assist, installing or changing allergen reduction disposable filter bags, emptying the mini emptor, and understanding the belt lifter. Your Centria is equipped with Tech Drive. This variable power assist actually senses the speed and direction of the Centria and provides up to 90% of the power required to move it back and forth. To engage the Tech Drive, push down on the red side of the Tech Drive pedal. Tech Drive must be turned off in order to push your Centria when the motor is not running. To do this, raise the nozzle and push down on the gray N side of the power assist pedal. The N stands for neutral. Turn the power off, then unplug the Centria. Now you should be able to push the Centria freely. Your Centria also has a convenient handle tilt latch, which allows you to lift the front of the Centria over door thresholds or throw rugs. To do so, push the handle tilt latch toward the bag. Then, pull back on the handle until the front of the Centria lifts up. The tilt latch will also allow you to store your Centria in a vertical position. Lower the handle all the way down and move the tilt latch away from the bag. You can now stand the Centria up on its bumper for storage. When you're ready to use the Centria again, you'll want to unlock the handle tilt latch by moving the tilt latch to the center position. However, never unlock the handle tilt latch without holding on to the handle. The handle is spring-loaded and could fly up when unlatched. It's important to adjust the power nozzle to its proper operating height. Make sure the power nozzle is up by stepping on the toe touch control bottom pedal. Turn the Centria on. The toe touch control adjusts the power nozzle to 7 different positions. The highest 4 positions are used for attaching accessories. Positions number 1 to 3 are used for carpet and floor cleaning. Positions number 1 to 3 are indicated when the number shows directly in front of the toe touch control upper pedal. Turn the unit on and press the toe touch control upper pedal 4 times until you see the number 3 in front of the toe touch control upper pedal. You are now in the highest floor cleaning position used for high pile and plush carpets. Press 1 more notch down until you see the number 2 in front of the toe touch control upper pedal for the medium position. This is the most widely used position for all types of carpet, including medium to medium plush. Push 1 more notch down for low until you see the number 1 in front of the toe touch control upper pedal for the lowest position for low pile carpet and hard floor cleaning. As a quick adjustment procedure, step on the upper pedal, lowering the power nozzle 1 notch at a time until you hear a change in the tone of the motor. This means your Centria has sealed to the carpet. Then, press the toe touch control upper pedal 1 more time and your power nozzle will be at the proper height. A disposable filter bag is required for proper operation of your Centria. Before installing or changing a disposable filter bag, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and make sure the motor and fan have stopped. Then, unzip the outer bag starting on the top left and continuing all the way down the right side. Pull out the top adapter and disposable filter bag. Always replace the disposable filter bag when dirt reaches the full line. Failure to do so will affect performance. Hold the top adapter steady while you turn the disposable filter bag's cardboard faceplate to the left. Gently pull off the bag and throw it away. To install a new filter bag, align the slots in the cardboard faceplate with the lock tabs on the adapter. Then push the adapter into the bag opening and rotate the cardboard faceplate to the right of the disposable filter bag. The bag support strap should be attached to the top adapter. This is required for proper operation. If it is not attached, thread the strap through the small hole of the top adapter. Then place the hole in the strap over the stud on the adapter. Finally, insert the bag adapter and the new filter bag into the outer permanent bag and zip it shut. To purchase replacement disposable filter bags, contact your local Kirby distributor. Or if distance or convenience is a factor, you may also call Kirby. The Mini Emptor is designed to collect large, heavy particles, which can be emptied by removing the Mini Emptor. To remove, grasp the Mini Emptor underneath by its handhold and rotate it away from the body of the Centria as far as it will go, then lift it off. The top of the bag is released from the handle by pressing the bag release button. Position the front opening over a newspaper and shake it to remove the particles. Though your Centria can remove larger debris from your floors, never intentionally pick up heavy objects such as coins, screws, large rocks, or similar objects. It may cause damage to your Centria. To reattach the bag assembly, line up the raised indicator line on the Mini Emptor with the indicator line on the air exhaust port. Then rotate the Mini Emptor toward the Centria and lock it in place. The Mini Emptor must be securely locked into place or the Centria will not operate. The belt lifter on your Centria serves two purposes. The first use is to engage or disengage the brush roll. The second use is to allow removal of the power nozzle when converting your Centria for use with various attachments and optional accessories. To disengage the belt and prevent the brush roll from rotating, make sure the power nozzle is raised to its highest setting. Make sure the Centria is unplugged. Raise the headlight hood. Flip out the handle on the belt lifter. Turn the handle to the left or counterclockwise until it stops and the red arrows line up. Return the handle to its closed position. Lower the headlight hood and your Centria is ready for use as a straight suction cleaner. To re-engage the belt so the brush roll rotates, turn the belt lifter to the right or clockwise until the green arrows line up. Turn the handle to the closed position and lower the headlight hood. Your Centria is also equipped with an innovative brush roll indicator light. It is located on the top of the power nozzle. When the brush roll is operating properly, the light will shine continuously. If the brush roll indicator light flickers or does not come on when using the power nozzle, the brush roll is not working properly. Either the belt is not engaged or it may need to be replaced. Replacing the belt will be covered in Section 5, Operating and Maintenance Tips. The Centria is an extremely versatile home care system. In Part 2, we'll cover using your Centria as an upright cleaner, using your upright as a straight suction cleaner, cleaning hard surface floors, using your Centria as a portable cleaner to clean carpeted stairs and mattresses, cord management. Before you begin cleaning with your new Centria, it's important to have the power nozzle adjusted to the proper height setting. This gives you the most efficient cleaning action and lengthens belt life. Straight suction cleaning allows you to vacuum hard floors, throw rugs, and delicate carpets without the use of the brush roll. When using the Centria on any hard surface flooring, make sure tech drive is in neutral. With the Centria off, turn the belt lifter left or counterclockwise until the red arrows are lined up. The brush roll is now disengaged and your Centria will operate as a straight suction cleaner. By attaching the optional hard floor pad, you can dust bare floors. Before installing the hard floor pad, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and make sure the motor and nozzle brush have stopped. Make sure the nozzle is set to the highest setting. Attach the hard floor pad onto the nozzle opening using the spring clips on the plate. Plug the Centria in. Make sure the tech drive is in neutral and turn the power on. Then, lower the nozzle until the bristles touch the floor. Besides being a remarkable upright cleaner, the Centria can easily be converted into a portable cleaner for things like mattresses or carpeted stairs. To reduce risk of injury in the portable mode, place tech drive in neutral and keep hair away from the rotating brush inside the nozzle. To convert your Centria to a portable cleaner, make sure the Centria is turned off and unplugged. Release the outer permanent bag by pressing the bag release button. Remove the power cord from the upright handle. Push the release button located at the base of the handle and pull the handle straight up and out of the slot. Then, push the portable handle into the same slot and insert the bag latch tab into the slot on the portable handle. You are now ready for portable power cleaning. On carpeted stairs, simply roll the cleaner back and forth so the brush roll agitates the carpeting and loosens the dirt. Cleaning soft mattress surfaces is done the same as carpeted surfaces. Your Centria should be set up as a portable cleaner. Make sure the tech drive is turned off and the brush roll is disengaged before turning the Centria on. Lower the power nozzle and begin vacuuming. The Centria system upright handle incorporates a series of hooks and fasteners to keep the cord off the floor and attached to the upright handle for your convenience. When using the Centria system as an upright, snap the power cord into the two cord holders located on the back of the handle. With the upper cord hook in the up or 12 o'clock position, route the cord toward the rear of the unit and slide the cord into the C-shaped holder on the upper cord hook. The cord can now be wrapped around the upper and lower cord hooks for storage. To quick release the cord for use, rotate the upper cord hook down to the 6 o'clock position. The C-shaped holder is designed to hold the cord securely in place and prevent the first loop from dropping to the floor. Your Centria comes with a wide variety of attachments for added versatility. In this section, we'll discuss removing the power nozzle to convert to a canister cleaner, using the duster brush, the upholstery nozzle, extension tubes, the suction control grip, the wall and ceiling brush, the crevice tool, the surface nozzle, and the massage cup. We'll also cover using your Centria as a blower unit, using the portable sprayer and portable shampooer. When using different attachments, the attachment hose is connected to the front of the cleaner in place of the power nozzle. The attachment hose may be used in either the upright or portable configuration. To install the attachment hose, raise the nozzle. Place the tech drive in neutral and turn the power off. Unplug the Centria from the wall outlet. Raise the headlight hood and turn the belt lifter to the left or counterclockwise until it stops and the red arrows line up. Release the power nozzle and lift it off the Centria. In normal operation, friction between the belt and metal motor shaft may cause the metal motor shaft to be extremely hot to the touch. At the connector end of the attachment hose, you will notice two hooks. Hook the hose end over the attaching bar, then lock in place by turning the accessory lock clockwise all the way to the right. Lower the headlight hood. With the attachment hose in place, the Centria will automatically adjust to high-speed hose operation. To attach tools to the hose, push lightly while twisting the tool onto the hose. The duster brush may be connected to the attachment hose or the extension tubes to remove dust from any surface, including contoured or irregular surfaces. The upholstery nozzle is used for cleaning upholstered furniture, carpeted steps, clothing, and the inside of cars. 1 or 2 extension tubes can be attached to the end of the hose to extend your reach and efficiently use various attachments. The suction control grip features a valve to control the amount of suction. Simply slide the valve control back and forth until the desired level of suction is reached. The suction control grip can also be used with the attachment hose, between the extension tubes. Or it can easily be moved to the end of the tubes, giving your brush attachments a different angle with which to clean. Attach the wall and ceiling brush to the suction control grip. To clean walls, ceilings, and other hard-to-reach surfaces, by rotating the brush, you can clean hard-to-reach places like ceilings. The crevice tool with a removable brush cleans dirt from tight places and carpet edges. Remove the brush, and the crevice tool can be used for cleaning cracks, crevices, corners, grooves, and narrow openings. The surface nozzle may be used on bare floors or for surface cleaning carpets and under low furniture. Rubber wheels on the nozzle allow it to glide smoothly on the surface of hard floors without scratching. Used with the attachment hose, the massage cup provides an invigorating skin or scalp massage. Your Centria can also be used as a blower in either the upright or portable configuration. Raise the power nozzle, place the tech drive in neutral, and turn the power off. Unplug the Centria from the wall outlet. Raise the headlight hood and turn the belt lifter to the left or counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. Unlock the power nozzle and remove it from the Centria. Then, fasten the air intake guard onto the attaching bar and lock it in place by turning the accessory bar all the way to the right or clockwise. Lower the headlight hood. Remove the mini emptor and release the top of the bag assembly. To attach the blower hose, line up the indicator line on the large end of the hose with the indicator line on the metal exhaust port. Twist the hose connector to the right to lock in place. By attaching the inflator-deflator tool to the attachment hose, you can inflate toys, air mattresses, or other similar low-pressure inflatable items. To deflate items, take the blower hose off the Centria, clip the bag into place, and attach the mini emptor. Lift the headlight hood, remove the air intake guard, and connect the attachment hose to the front of the Centria. You may now use your Centria to deflate items or clean tight areas such as computer keyboards or audio-video equipment. The portable sprayer is used only in the blower mode. It is an excellent tool to apply Kirby guard and many different types of water-based liquids to any type of surface. Never use oil or solvent-based paint of any kind in the portable sprayer. The motor is open to the spray and could ignite flammable and volatile paint solvents. To set up the portable sprayer, unscrew the jar and fill 3/4 full with any non-flammable liquid. If the sprayer must be tilted during use, less solution should be used to avoid large droplets in the spray. Screw the jar and portable sprayer tightly together. Make sure your Centria is set up as a blower unit. The air intake guard should be on the front of the unit, and the attachment hose should be connected to the exhaust port. Connect the sprayer to the attachment hose. Turn the Centria on and squeeze the trigger, spraying non-flammable solution with the nozzle pointed away from you, adjusting the spray by turning the spray adjustment control on the trigger. Use slow sweeping motions to spray the sofa with Kirby guard. Always squeeze the trigger fully to permit maximum flow and spray control. The spray gun is an excellent way to apply Kirby guard to any upholstered furniture or carpeted area. Immediately after use, empty the jar and wash with warm water. The portable sprayer dip tube should also be removed and washed. Remove the nozzle jet by pressing the 2 latches on the front and pulling it out. Now clean the inside of the sprayer and nozzle jet. When dry, return the nozzle jet to the front of the sprayer. Reassemble the rest of the sprayer so none of the parts will be lost. Never clean portable sprayer with flammable cleaning fluids. The motor is open to the spray and could ignite flammable and volatile solvents. The portable shampooer is also used in the blower mode only and is designed for fast, easy cleaning of carpeted stairways and areas that are difficult to reach with the carpet shampoo system. The portable shampooer is not recommended for use on upholstery or delicate fabrics such as silk, brocade, or velvet. If in doubt, try a test patch. Let the patch dry and check it before you shampoo further. To set up the portable shampooer, attach the shampooer cap to the end of the portable sprayer. Fill the jar with water to the water line. Then add Kirby carpet shampoo to the shampoo line. Use only Kirby carpet shampoo for best results. Screw the jar and portable sprayer tightly together. Connect the sprayer to the attachment hose and make certain your Centria is set up as a blower. The attachment hose should be connected to the air exhaust port and the air intake guard should be installed on the front of the unit. Turn the Centria on and pull the trigger to spray suds onto the surface being cleaned. Adjust the portable sprayer for proper suds volume by turning the spray adjustment control located on the trigger. Work suds into the surface until they disappear. Allow the surface to dry completely and vacuum to remove the dry residue which contains debris and loosened dirt. To purchase additional Kirby carpet shampoo, contact your local Kirby distributor, or if distance or convenience is a factor, simply call Kirby. Part 4 explains several optional Centria accessories that will enhance the usefulness of your Centria. These include the carpet shampoo system, the floor care system, the turbo accessory system, handy butler, the zip brush. The carpet shampoo system was designed to help you shampoo, fluff, and otherwise maintain carpeting. It contains the shampoo system nozzle, tray assembly, system hose, brush roll, tank, and a bottle of Kirby carpet shampoo. Before shampooing, vacuum the carpeted area thoroughly to remove any loose dirt. Then, unplug the Centria. Make sure the nozzle is at its highest setting. Turn the belt lifter to the left or counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. Release the lock and remove the nozzle. Release the top of the bag assembly and remove the mini emptor. Pull the shampooer belt up away from the brush. Make sure the green arrows on the shampoo system nozzle are lined up. Slide the carpet shampoo system nozzle onto the shampoo tray. Turn the belt lifter to the left until the red arrows line up. The belt lifter hook will catch and stretch the belt. Slide the nozzle tray assembly toward the Centria and place the hooks on the bottom rear of the nozzle onto the attaching bar. Push the nozzle up against the Centria and lock the nozzle in place. Turn the belt lifter to the right until the green arrows line up and lower the headlight hood. The shampoo system tank should be filled or emptied over a sink in case of spillage. Unscrew the large cup from the top of the tank. With the tank level, fill to the first line for small rooms, the second line for medium-sized rooms, or the third line for large rooms. Fill with warm water, not hot. Then add Kirby carpet shampoo. Use 1 cupful for small rooms, 2 cupfuls for medium-sized rooms, and 3 cupfuls for large rooms. Note that using more than the appropriate number of cupfuls could cause overfoaming. Replace the large cup into the opening on the top of the tank. Larger carpets may require emptying the tray and refilling the tank. 1 tankful of this solution should clean an area about 9 by 12 feet. To attach the tank, match up the lines on the tank and the exhaust port. Slide the tank down and rotate it toward the Centria. The hose has a light and dark end. Insert the dark end firmly into the tray hole. Then attach the light end to the tank. Lower the nozzle to its lowest setting. To control the amount of suds, turn the suds control valve right or clockwise for more suds and left or counterclockwise for less suds. Turning the valve to the off position will stop the flow of suds completely. Start with the suds control valve on. Plug the Centria into the wall outlet. Turn the Centria on and engage tech drive. Suds flow should begin immediately. As you move the Centria forward, foam will be released and the brush will work it into the carpet. Pulling the Centria back into the same path should dispense suds for the full width of the tray. If not, move the Centria more slowly or clean the shampoo tank filter if necessary. Also, to shampoo along edges, make sure the tank is on the opposite side of the edge being cleaned. Once the surface being cleaned has been covered with a blanket of foam, turn the suds control valve off and go over the entire area again. After allowing the surface to dry completely, attach the power nozzle and vacuum the dried suds residue. The Centria carpet shampoo system, when used with Kirby carpet shampoo according to directions, has been tested safe on treated carpeting and will not affect the stain-resistant properties. To clean the carpet shampoo system, raise the nozzle and unplug the Centria from the wall outlet. Raise the headlight hood, Pull the hose from the shampoo tray. Turn the belt lifter to the left until the red arrows line up. Release the nozzle tray assembly and carry it to the sink. Then, turn the belt lifter to the right until the green arrows line up. Pull the tray and nozzle apart. Disconnect the shield by gently pulling out the ends of the tray just behind the brush roll. Remove the brush roll by simultaneously pushing on both ends of the tray. Rinse the tray, rinse the shield, finally rinse the brush. Then remove any lint from the brush tufts. Shake excess water from the brush roll by brushing your hand over the bristles. Rinse the nozzle. Finally, dry all parts with a towel. To clean the tank, remove the sponge filter, rinse both thoroughly with cold water. Rinse the hose. Pour out the remaining carpet shampoo solution and rinse the shampoo tank. Rinse the sud screen on the bottom of the tank. When clean and dry, replace them to their original position. Your Centria can be used as an effective floor care system for cleaning, waxing, or buffing a variety of hard surface floors. To clean hard surface floors, make sure your Centria is off and unplugged. Raise the headlight hood. To disengage the brush roll, turn the belt lifter to the left until the red arrows line up. Make sure the nozzle is set to its highest setting. Attach the hard floor pad. Plug the Centria in. Lower the power nozzle until the brushes contact the floor. Make sure tech drive is in neutral and turn the Centria on. You're ready to clean any hard surface floor. Heavily soiled floors may need additional cleaning, such as damp mopping. Your Centria can also be used to wax hard surface floors, but before applying wax, first attach the buffer nozzle to the Centria. Make sure the nozzle is at its highest setting. Unplug the Centria from the wall outlet. Remove the power nozzle. Then, drop the buffer nozzle onto the floor buffer brush. Push the belt up against the brush roll with your finger. While holding the belt in place, turn the belt lifter to the left or counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. The belt lifter hook will catch the belt and stretch it upward into the nozzle. Attach the nozzle. Turn the belt lifter to the right or clockwise until the green arrows line up. Lower the headlight hood. Make sure tech drive is in neutral by stepping on the end side of the power assist pedal. Your Centria is now ready for use as a buffer. To wax hard floors, assemble the roller waxer applicator by pushing the two halves together until the spring-loaded pin clicks into place. Remove the wax roller from the canister. Insert the applicator into the open end of the wax roller. Pull the roller bag off the wax roller and save the packing bag. Use the roller to apply a small amount of Kirby Miracle Wax. It's not necessary to cover the entire floor completely. To remove the wax roller from the handle, push the wax roller into the packing bag. Grasp both the packing bag and roller firmly. Push the roller away from you to compress the retaining spring and pull the roller off the bar. Seal the bag to prevent premature drying and store it in a safe place away from kids and pets. For easier storage, you can disconnect the roller handle by pressing down the spring-loaded pin and pulling the two ends apart. Then spread the wax with the floor buffer. First, make sure tech drive is in neutral. Before you turn the Centria on, grasp it firmly by the handle. The floor buffer tends to move forward when the unit is on and the brush is in contact with the floor. Turn the Centria on. Lower the brush as far as the toe touch control will allow. To spread the wax, move the Centria over the floor as though you were cleaning a carpet, using slow, steady strokes. Wait 5 minutes. When dry, buff to a bright sheen. For marble floors, use the same procedures, but buff immediately. Avoid any drying time. Hard floors may be rebuffed anytime it's necessary. Waxing is not necessary every time you buff. Apply additional wax when rebuffing does not produce desired results. Do not stand the Centria on end for polishing. Make sure tech drive is in neutral for polishing. And do not use Kirby Miracle Wax on rubber or asphalt tiles. To order additional Kirby Miracle Wax, contact your local Kirby distributor, or if distance or convenience is a factor, simply call Kirby. Your Centria floor buffer can also be used as a carpet fluffer to reset the nap on a matted down carpet. Before placing the Centria on the carpet, make sure tech drive is in neutral and the nozzle is all the way up. Plug in the power cord. Holding onto the handle firmly, start the Centria and lower the nozzle one notch at a time until the brushes contact the carpet. Engage tech drive power assist and push the Centria back and forth over the carpet. Lowering the brush too far may cause certain carpet types to fuzz. For that reason, use of the carpet fluffer is not recommended for delicate carpets. The turbo accessory system can be used for a wide variety of household jobs. It's a sander, a buffing unit, a scouring unit, and a massage unit. To use the turbo accessory massage unit, the Centria should be in the canister mode. Slide the soft vinyl pad into the back clamp and lock the clamp lever. Tightly wrap the soft vinyl pad around the bottom of the turbo accessory pad and tuck the end into the front clamp. The turbo accessory massage unit is intended for use where massage is desired or medically recommended. Attach the suction control grip to the hose and then attach the tool. Start the Centria and just hit the on switch for a relaxing massage. To adjust the level of vibration, use the suction control. Do not use the orbital massager on swollen or inflamed areas, with varicose veins, areas where there are skin eruptions, unexplained calf pain, or anesthetic skin areas, unless first approved by your doctor. In addition, children must be supervised when using the massager. To use the turbo accessory as a polisher, attach the synthetic lamb's wool pad using the same procedure as attaching the vinyl massage pad. Use it for polishing hard wax surfaces such as tabletops, paneling, and large flat surfaces. The dust shroud is not used when polishing. Attach the web nylon scouring pad using the same procedure as attaching the vinyl massage pad. The turbo accessory now becomes a scouring tool. Use it for scouring hard surfaces. The dust shroud is not used with the scouring pad. For safety reasons, do not turbo scour painted surfaces. When using the turbo accessory system as a sander, it is always advisable to use safety glasses. To begin, unsnap the sander dust shroud at the rear of the tool and lift it off. Select the correct grade of sandpaper needed for the job. Fine paper for a smooth finish, or a coarse paper to clean rough surfaces or remove paint. With the turbo accessory on a level surface, wrap the dust shroud around the sander with the opening to the rear and snap it shut. Be sure no metal objects such as tacks or nails are sticking up from the surface to be sanded. They could damage the turbo accessory or cause sparks which could ignite dust. Insert the attachment hose into the end of the turbo accessory. Turn the Centria on. Press the on button on the top of the sander and grip the sander at the front and rear. While applying light pressure, move the sander over the surface slowly, allowing it to do the work. Don't force it or lean heavily on it. That will only slow it down, and the tool works best at high speeds. Replace the disposable filter bag after extended sanding because the dust is fine and tends to plug the pores of the bag. The Handy Butler is an air-powered rotary tool that can be used for a wide variety of fine, detailed cleaning and polishing tasks. Safety glasses should be worn when using the Handy Butler. The Handy Butler handheld mode gives the user maximum flexibility when cleaning and polishing an item. The Handy Butler should be used with the Tech Drive Power Assist pedal in neutral. Attach the bit to the flexible shaft before assembling the Handy Butler. Rotate the tip of the flexible shaft until the hole in the tip lines up with the hole in the grip section. Insert the long end of the angled key into the hole. Use the enclosed mini wrench to loosen the silver rotating tip at the end of the flexible shaft. Select one of the cleaning or polishing bits and insert it into the tip of the flexible shaft. Firmly tighten the tip to secure the bit in place with the mini wrench. Remove the angled key. Screw the handy butler onto the silver end of the flexible shaft. Firmly attach the handy butler to the end of the hose. Turn your centria on. Then, rotate the air valve of the handy butler to expose the two air inlet openings. You are now ready to gently polish and clean. Allow the speed of the bit to do all the work. To turn the handy butler off, rotate the air valve to close the two air inlet openings. Use gentle pressure when using the handy butler. Strong pressure could break the cleaning or polishing bit or result in damage to the item being cleaned or polished. When connected to the attachment hose, the zip brush can be used for a wide variety of cleaning jobs, including carpeted steps, upholstery, or in the car. For best results, avoid pressing down heavily on the zip brush. Allow the brush to rotate at maximum speed by gently moving it side to side on the surface being cleaned. To avoid injury, do not insert fingers into the revolving brush area or push the release button while the brush is in motion. Keep the brush flat against the surface being cleaned. The brush can also throw particles outward. Avoid using the zip brush on delicate fabrics. To clean the zip brush, remove it from the hose. Then use the hose to clean any lint from the brush. Press the button on the front of the brush to release the outer brush ring. Lift the center brush air turbine out of the tool and remove any particles or lint. Remove any particles left in the tool cavity. Place the brush air turbine back into the tool and turn it until the tabs drop into the slots. Hook the tab on the rear of the ring brush onto the small opening of the tool and snap it back into place. The Centria is a highly sophisticated home care system. As with most modern appliances, it requires a modest degree of routine maintenance to keep it operating efficiently. This section presents a few maintenance tips on the Centria, such as changing the power nozzle belt, adjusting the brush roll for optimum performance, and electrical cord replacement. After extended use, the power nozzle belt on your Centria may become stretched or worn, causing the belt to slip. If this condition exists, simply replace the belt with a new Kirby belt. To change the belt, remove the nozzle from the Centria. Then release the belt tension by turning the belt lifter to the right or clockwise until the green arrows line up. Unlock the rug plate by unhooking the two latches on the rear of the nozzle. Note if there are 1, 2, or 3 notches exposed on the end of the brush roll. Lift out the belt and brush roll. Slide off the old belt and replace it with a new Kirby belt. Place the belt and brush roll back into the nozzle. Then center the belt on the brush. Replace the rug plate and then latch the two locks that hold it in place. Turn the belt lifter to the left or counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. This will stretch the belt inside the nozzle. Now you are ready to reattach the power nozzle and re-engage the belt. Over time, the bristles on the brush roll will wear. You will need to adjust the brush roll height. First, remove the power nozzle from the Centria by turning the belt lifter to the left until the red arrows line up. Then, release the belt tension by turning the belt lifter back to the right or clockwise until the green arrows line up. Unlock the two latches on the rear of the power nozzle to remove the rug plate. Note if there are 1, 2, or 3 notches exposed on the ends of the brush. To adjust, lift the brush out of the nozzle. Rotate both ends to the desired setting. If the brush roll was already set to 3 notches, you will need to replace the brush roll. Place the brush back into the nozzle, making sure both ends are set to the same number of notches. Replace the rug plate by placing it on the front of the bumper first and then pulling it over the bumper on the rear of the power nozzle. Secure the 2 rug plate latches. Then, turn the belt lifter to the left or counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. The nozzle can now be attached to the Centria. A functional electric cord is essential for safe operation of your Centria. Be careful not to run over the cord, and always unplug your unit by grasping the plug rather than yanking on the cord. If the electrical cord connecting your Centria to the outlet becomes cut or frayed, do not use the unit. Contact your authorized Kirby Service Center immediately for replacement. If the motor doesn't run when you turn your Centria on, make sure the power cord is plugged in. Check your breaker or fuse box to make sure the outlet has power. Look for breaks in the cord insulation. If the cord is damaged, replace it with a genuine Kirby power cord. Do not attempt to repair damaged electrical cords. Make sure all accessories and other attachments are properly mounted on the front. Also, the Centria will not operate unless a bag assembly, attachment hose, or shampoo tank is properly attached to the exhaust port. Any of these items must firmly click into place for the Centria to operate. If your Centria isn't picking up dirt or lint from your carpeting, make sure the nozzle height is adjusted properly. Lower the nozzle until you hear a change in motor tone. Then lower it one more notch. Improper height adjustment will affect airflow. Check the bag to see if it's full. If it is, change it. If it's still not picking up dirt and lint, the brush roll may need to be adjusted to a different height. If the brush roll is not turning freely, the belt may be slipping, broken, or not on the motor pulley. Replace the belt with a new Kirby belt. Or another cure might be to replace the old brush roll with a new brush roll. The exciting versatility of a complete home care system, the durability of aluminum, the simplicity of easy adjustments and accessories, the reliability of an international company known for its quality products. The Centria puts it all at your fingertips. Everything you need to clean practically every surface, every corner. Thank you for watching this video. And we hope that years from now, you'll still be enjoying how your Centria keeps on working for you. Welcome to the Kirby family. Your new Centria system is backed by a complete line of accessories and cleaning products designed to make your life easier. From stain removers to hard surface cleaners, we've got what you need to keep your home looking its best. Your local authorized Kirby distributor can supply a complete line of specially formulated products, including carpet shampoo, carpet protectant, allergen reduction products, and odor removers. Your Kirby distributor can also assist you with regular maintenance of your Centria system, as well as advise you on optional accessories and attachments for specialty jobs. Extended cords, additional attachments, and many accessories for car detailing are just some of the items designed to make even the most challenging jobs easier. Please contact your local Kirby distributor for genuine Kirby replacement bags or belts, or to order any of these additional cleaning products. Or call us at the number shown on your screen. A clean home starts by capturing dirt and keeping it in the bag. Kirby's Micron Magic filters with microallergen technology are Kirby's best, trapping 99.97% of particles 0.3 microns or larger in size, including dust mite droppings, pollen, mold spores, pet dander, and bacteria. The filter traps 96% of even smaller particles down to 0.1 micron in size. This gives you added assurance that when you vacuum, tiny particles won't be blown back into the air that you breathe, an especially important factor for allergy and asthma sufferers. Each microallergen filter has 6 layers of filtration to maximize your Centria's effectiveness. Made from fine polypropylene fibers, these filters are rated HEPA 11. Their superior design also resists odors, making them popular with pet owners. Take the first step to keeping your home clean by keeping dirt in the bag. Use only genuine Kirby Micron Magic allergen reduction filters with your Centria system. After vacuuming, deep clean your carpets with Kirby's Allergen Control Shampoo. It neutralizes dust mite waste, which is one of the major contributors to indoor allergies, while it cleans. After use, your carpets look bright and smell fresh, and thanks to a special ingredient, will resist resoiling. The Kirby shampoo system is convenient and easy to use. In just minutes, you can touch up a high traffic area or shampoo an entire room. Our unique dry foam formula means that carpet dries quickly, allowing you to enjoy your carpeting sooner after cleaning. Kirby Allergen Control Shampoo comes in both lightly lavender scented and unscented formulas and is available from your local Kirby distributor in a variety of sizes. Thanks to Kirby Guard Carpet and Upholstery Protector, you can keep your carpets cleaner longer. This revolutionary product provides a thin protective shield that holds dirt on the carpet's surface for more effective vacuuming and prevents spills from seeping into the carpet fibers. As you can see by the side-by-side comparison, the spilled wine on the untreated carpet seeps into the fibers, leaving an ugly stain. On the carpet treated with Kirby Guard, the surface can be easily blotted away. Kirby Guard Carpet and Upholstery Protector is easily applied with the Kirby Portable Sprayer or with the handy spray bottle for smaller areas to keep your carpets looking their best. Control household dust and allergens in hard-to-clean places with these revolutionary Kirby products. Dust mite allergies disturbing your sleep? Pet dander keeping you away from your favorite recliner? Now there's a solution. After a thorough cleaning, apply allergen control spray to upholstery, mattresses, pillowcases, and carpeting to neutralize allergens on contact. It works great in cars, too. There's no need to give up your favorite chair to allergies. Try Allergen Control Spray today. On hard surfaces, use Kirby's microfiber cloth. An ordinary rag spreads dust and allergens around, but Kirby's microfiber cloth attracts grime and liquid and holds it in. It's great for wet or dry applications, dries quickly, is non-abrasive, and is lint-free. With hundreds of uses, this unique material can be used to polish jewelry, dust furniture, clean mirrors, wash automobiles, and more. Rinse it out and reuse it up to 500 times. Got a tough stain? Kirby offers several spot removers and pre-treatment cleaners designed to lift even the toughest stains out of carpets. Kirby's multi-purpose spot remover attacks a wide variety of stains on contact and is perfect for quick cleanups of fresh spots. For walkways and doorways, try high-traffic pre-treatment. Simply apply 5 minutes before shampooing to eliminate ground-in dirt. Natural enzymes in our food stain carpet cleaner remove stubborn food stains like red wine, grape juice, ketchup, chocolate, tomato, and other sauces. Grease and oil carpet cleaner makes quick work of auto and garage grease, cooking oils, and other tough oil-based stains. Pet owners will love Kirby's Pet Stain and Odor Cleaner. Its natural enzymes remove lingering odors so pets won't return to the same location. And for those quick cleanups, Kirby Foam offers our same carpet shampoo in an easy-to-use spray bottle. A clean home not only has to look fresh, it has to smell fresh too. For carpets, lightly sprinkle on Home Fresh Carpet and Room Deodorizer. Let sit a few minutes and vacuum away to leave your carpet and your room smelling nice. Available in your choice of fragrances, including original citrus, cinnamon, pine, lemon, and more. Use just a few drops of highly concentrated Odorific 2 to freshen smelly garbage cans, garage odors, tennis shoes, and diaper pails. Available in original, cinnamon spice, and vanilla. Keeping counters and other hard surfaces free of dust and grime is an important part of household cleaning. Kirby offers a selection of hard surface cleaners to make your job easier. For gooey residues, try Lickety Split. This all-purpose dissolver gently removes tape, glue, chewing gum, stickers, lipstick, shoe polish, crayon, oil, tar, tree sap, permanent marker, and more. Scuttle Hard Surface Cleaner effectively cuts grease and grime on countertops and appliances. It dries to a streak-free shine and is great for use on chrome, stainless steel, windows, mirrors, and more. Citrus oil adds a fresh scent to citrus scuttle. This hard-duty cleaner removes gum, oil, crayon, lipstick, tar, and other difficult substances from indoor and outdoor hard surfaces. It's great for ovens, grills, machinery, and workbenches. These are just some of the many household cleaners available from your local Kirby distributor. Used together with your Centria, your home will look and smell its very best. Visit your distributor today or call the number on your screen for additional information.